Morning, my dear students of Swami Vivekananda Academy for Educational Excellence. I know that all of you are facing a lots of problems due to this pandemic situations. Though we will continue our study. Okay. Today we will learn about noun. I know that all of you have already read about that part. Now, what is noun? Noun is a naming words. Okay. Here, look at the board. Wait, all of you. Now everyone, look at the board. Naming words like Sita. Sita indicates to a person. So, it indicates it's a naming words. So, it is a noun. Next, Parker pen. It indicates to a thing. It's a naming words. So, we can call them as a noun. Next, India. India indicates to a place. So, we can say it as a noun. Now come to the next part. Noun has 3 hands. Number 1 is proper noun. Number 2 is common noun. And number 3 is collective noun. Number 1, proper noun. What is proper noun? The name which we give to a particular person, remember, particular person, place and or thing, we can call them as a proper noun. Like, look at the example, Rabindranath Tagore. It indicates to a proper person. Taj Mahal indicates to a proper place. Gita, Bible, Ramayana, you can say that it's a proper thing. So all the proper person, place and thing which is particular, we can call them as a proper noun. But you can say me that, ma'am, how can I define that this is a proper noun? Remember one thing is very, very important, that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter and followed by small letter. And here is the most important thing, that the a proper noun always starts with a capital letter and then followed by small letter. Yes, now again we will give another example like Ramayana. It indicates to a proper thing. Okay. Next, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bosu. It indicates to a proper person. Okay. You can say that the India. Yes, India is a proper place. So we can call them as a proper noun. Okay. Now everyone, we have already learned about proper noun. Now we will go the next part, that is common noun. What is common noun? Look at the board everyone. A name which we give in general. Just remember, in general, that word, that name should be in general. To all person, place or things of the same kind. That name, that general name should be a same kind. All the things is called a common noun. So, that name, that noun should be in general and that name or that noun should be in same kind. Now go to the next example. Dog, cat, boy, girl, man, woman, any place, any person, anything, pen, board, copy, book, whatever, in any name, that noun should be in general, that name, that noun should be in a same kind. We will call them as a common noun. But if I say that the Parker pen, as all of you have already learned in the examples, whenever I have told to all of you what is noun, that time I have told a Parker pen. Pen, we know, is the same kind, it's a general, but whenever we add that the Parker, it indicates to a proper place, proper thing, it indicates to a proper thing. That time we may call them as a proper noun. Okay, proper noun. But when common nouns. Clear all of you? That time we may call them as a common noun. Now, here is the difference between a proper noun and a common noun. What is the difference? Remember, a common noun always begins with a small letter. Okay? But in the other part, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. And the number two difference is a proper noun always indicates to a particular person, a particular place, a particular thing. But a common noun always indicates to a general, that noun should be in general, that noun should be in the same kind. That time we may call them as a common noun. Clear all of you? We have already learned about proper noun and common noun. Now go to the example. Okay. Now here is written, open your book. Everyone open your book, page number 7. Look at the example. Sachin is a great cricketer. Now, which one is proper noun and which one is common noun? Sachin. Here, Sachin is a naming word. What type of noun it is? I know that all of you are going to raise your hand. But unfortunately, we are really missing all of you. Now, Sachin is a proper noun. Look, Sachin is a proper noun. Why it is a proper noun? Because it indicates a particular person. It also starts with a capital letter. Clear? Now I am going to wait all of you. Okay. I think all of you can see very well. Okay. Next. Cricketer. Why it is a noun? It is a naming words. What type of noun it is? It is a common noun. Why it is a common noun? It indicates a same kind. It also starts with a small letter. It doesn't mention any particular name of a cricketer. But here in the subject part, you can see that Sachin is a great cricketer. Here already I have mentioned that Sachin. And Sachin is a proper noun because it starts with a capital letter and it also indicates to a particular person. But here, cricketer is a common noun. Why? Number one, it indicates to a same kind, it indicates a general word. Next, go to the next example, Geeta. Geeta is a naming word. Again, Geeta is a proper noun. Why it is a proper noun? It also starts with a capital letter. It also indicates to a particular thing. The particular thing is a book. All of you know very well that Geeta is a holy book. Next, book. Book is a noun. And what type of noun it is? It is a common noun. Why it is common noun? Because it indicates to a same kind. It is a general word. And it also starts with a small letter. I know that all of you can understand very well. All of you just go through your book very thoroughly. Okay? Thank you.